here. So we've finished spring cleaning our bedrooms and our bathroom, and now we're going into the kitchen. So I'll show you today how we clean the top and the inner workings of our oven, how we go through our coffee maker, and how to clean the inside of your microwave. So for the oven right now, I have it preheating to about 200 just to help loosen some of the debris and things that are in there before I start cleaning it. So while that's preheating, what I've done is I've set up our coffee maker to start. So I filled up about to the halfway mark. For our machine, it's 6 cups with distilled white vinegar, and then fill up the other half with water. For us, it's another 6 cups. I'll run it like a regular cycle and stop it halfway, so until it gets back down to the halfway mark, or for us 6 cups. Let that sit for a little to try and help break up some of the calcium that builds up in the inner workings of the coffee maker. Start that back up, let that sit for a little bit, and then dump the carafe. And then I'll do at least 2 cycles through of just water to help get rid of the vinegar and any other loosened calcium and things like that. So I'm gonna let this start going, and then I'll show you how to do the microwave. Okay, so now on to the microwave. Dan and I do this every few months, so we don't have as much built up on the inside of our microwave, but if you do, I would highly suggest having your microwave run for a longer period of time. But so in this bowl here, I have a cup of vinegar and a cup of water, and I've already put our microwave on for 7:30. So we're now gonna shut it, let it run, and once it's done, just go in there with a sponge, and all of the steam will allow it so you can just wipe everything down, and you won't have to be scrubbing all of the debris and stuff off of it. Okay, so I've gone ahead now that it's preheated and taken out the racks and the grate cover for our oven, and I have here Norwex paste. I've tried some baking soda, things like that, and it just hasn't really worked the way that I want to. And I also have a Norwex sponge here. So I've just gone ahead, gotten my sponge a little wet, and taken the Norwex paste, and I'm just gonna start to layer it on here, really working it in. Get some more if I need it. And I'm just gonna continue on through into the oven. So now that I've got everything coated on the inside with a good bit of paste and it's set for about a minute, 2 minutes, I'm gonna take our microfiber cloth. This one's a Norwex brand, but I'm sure another microfiber cloth would work too. I just personally like the products working together because they're still together. I get this a little bit wet, and then I'm just gonna start working that paste right off. And look at that. It's granted, this is an older oven and it's not one that we put in ourselves, so there's gonna be some stuff that's gonna be caked on that we absolutely can't get off, but all in all, we're removing a lot of debris. So while our grates are air drying, I've already gone ahead and wiped down the front of our oven here. I've used the same microfiber cloth that I was using on the inside, and then did a polishing cloth. So I am doing a natural way to polish the stainless steel than doing a stainless steel cleaner, which can be very heavy in chemicals and strong in awful chemical scent. I've taken the Norwex paste and put it on top here, and then let that sit same as I did in the oven. And now I'll take that cloth and just start working that in and start to get that off. And as you can see, it's really been able to cut through all of the grease and stuff. And took off the grate cover, took off the burner covers. I'm going to be scrubbing those as well. And that'll be that. And our oven will be completely done and clean.